front of your mat. Keep your feet together, arms by your side. Now with inhalation, raise your arms up. Keep your palms together. Try to gaze towards the sky. Now with exhalation, hold forward from your hips and try to reach towards the ground. Keep your palms on the ground or on your shins. Now with inhalation, raise your torso halfway up. Try to gaze in front. Now with exhalation, step or jump back into a plank position and slowly lower your body down. Now with inhalation, push your palms to the ground and slowly raise your chest up. Keep your thighs off the ground. Now with exhalation, lift your hip up and go into the inverted V shape. Try to keep your spine straight. Now with inhalation, step or jump between your hands. Try to gaze in front. Keep your back flat. With exhalation, completely fold forward. With inhalation, raise your body up. And slowly raise your arms up. Reach towards the sky. Now with exhalation, bring your hands down into Samastiti.